What if I told you that becoming rich has nothing to do with luck, nothing to do with your job, and nothing to do with where you were born, and everything to do with a few simple principles you can start today? Most people will hear this and scroll away, but a small percentage will listen carefully, apply it, and completely change their life. If you stay with me until the end, you will understand exactly how wealth is built step by step and how you can start from where you are. Right now, welcome back to the channel. If you feel stuck financially, if you feel like no matter how hard you work, your life is not changing, this video is for you. Because the truth is, becoming rich is simple, but simple does not mean easy. Let us begin, Z. Most people believe money comes from working more hours, but wealthy people know money comes from becoming more valuable. You do not get paid for your time. You get paid for the value you bring if you improve your skills, your knowledge, your mindset, your discipline, your network, your communication, your thinking, your creativity, your ability to solve problems. Your income will follow. The marketplace always pays for value, so the first step to becoming rich is simple: work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Spend 1 hour every day learning, growing, reading, thinking, planning. Because when you become more, you earn more. The second truth is, this income does not create wealth. Habits create wealth. You can earn a lot of money and still be broke. Can earn a lot. You can earn average money and become rich. The difference is what you do with your money. Rich people develop the habit of saving and investing first. Poor people spend first and save what is left, which is usually nothing. If you want to change your life, start with this one simple rule: pay yourself first. Every time money comes in, a portion goes to your future. Even if it is small in the beginning, consistency is more powerful than size, because wealth is built slowly, quietly, consistently over time. The third principle is discipline. Everybody wants success, but very few people want discipline. Discipline is doing what, you should do. Even when you do not feel like it, discipline is waking up early when your mind says sleep. Discipline is learning when your mind says scroll. Discipline is saving when your mind says spend. Jim Rohn taught that discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. Right now you choose which weight you will carry: the small pain of discipline today or the heavy pain of regret later. The fourth principle is environment you become. Like the people you spend time with, Tenkanai Sitafun. If you spend time with people who complain, you will complain. If you spend time with people who grow, you will grow. Your environment shapes your standards, your thinking, your beliefs, your actions. So ask yourself, who are you listening to every day? Who influences your thinking? Who are you becoming? If you want to become rich, you must get around people who think bigger, act bigger, and expect more from life. Even if you cannot meet them physically, you can listen to them through books, through videos, through mentors. Change your environment, and you will change your life. The fifth principle is long-term thinking. Most people want fast resolve. They want success in a few weeks, a few months, maybe 1 year, but real wealth is built over years of consistent action planting. A seed today does not give you fruit tomorrow. You must plant, water, protect, grow. And wait, this is where most people quit. They start strong, then they stop, they get excited, then they get distracted, they take action, then they lose patience. But the people who win are the people who stay. They keep showing up, they keep improving, they keep learning, they keep investing, they keep going, even when results are slow, even when nobody is watching, even when it feels like nothing is happening, because they understand something powerful. Small daily actions create massive long-term results. The sixth principle is belief. If you do not believe you can become rich, you will never take the actions required. Your mind must see it before your life can create it. You must believe you are capable. You must believe you can learn. You must believe you can learn. You must believe you can change your habits. You must believe your future can be better than your present, because belief drives action. Action drives results, results build. Confident. Confidence builds a new identity, and that identity becomes your new life. So how do you build belief? You build it by keeping small promises to yourself. You say you will wake up early and you do it. You say you will save money and you do it. You say you will learn one skill and you do it. Each promise you keep builds trust in yourself. And that trust becomes belief. Now let us bring all of this together. Becoming rich is simple. Become more valuable. Build strong financial habits. Practice daily discipline. Choose the right environment. Think long-term, build powerful belief. These are not secrets hidden from you. These are principles available to everyone. The difference is not knowledge. The difference is applications. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated for a moment, then go back to their old habits. But a small percentage will take one idea from this video and apply it today. And that one decision can change everything. So here is your challenge after this video. Choose one principle. Just one. And apply it for the next 30 days. Do not try to do everything. Focus on one. Maybe you start reading 10 pages every day. Maybe you start saving a small amount every week. Maybe you start waking up 1 hour earlier. Maybe you start learning a new skill. Maybe you start changing who you listen to. One small change done consistently will start shifting your life, because success is not one big action. Success is not one big action. Success is a series of small actions. And over time, those small actions become a different life. Remember this, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. You do not need to start big. You just need to start your future. It does not depend on where you are today. It depends on what you choose to do next. So make the decision, start today, start small. Stay consistent, stay patient, and watch how your life begins to change. If you got value from this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Because the more people who understand these principles, the more lives can be changed. I will see you in the next video. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep becoming more, because your best life is still ahead of you.